everyone, welcome back to Fashion Wala. Welcome back to Fashion Wala. So today I'm teaching you guys on how to crush add seasoning cubes. I'm teaching you guys on how to crush add seasoning cubes, and I'm teaching you two ways of crushing add seasoning cubes that you might not be aware of. So you peel the paper off the seasoning cubes. You peel. That's what I'm doing now. I'm peeling the paper off the seasoning cubes. Okay, now I'm done peeling the paper off the seasoning cubes. So I'm teaching you on two easy ways to crush add seasoning cubes that you might not be aware of. So now I'm trying to crush the seasoning cubes. Can you see that I'm putting pressure on it and it is not giving way, like it is not crushing? So these are add seasoning cubes. There are some seasoning cubes that are add that when you crush, it will not crush. So I'm trying to test it whether it's going to crush or not. So this is the first step. You'll get a small bowl, a small plate with a spoon, then you get water. Okay, so after getting all the requirements ready, you are going to place the seasoning cubes in the cup, in the small cup. Then you will add a little water. Then you mix and try to use the spoon to crush it. Because when you add the water, the seasoning cube will get softer. Then you use the spoon to crush and mix till it is all dissolved. Okay, for the second method, you get a pan, a frying pan. You place it on fire under a low heat. You place it on fire under a low heat. Then you place the seasoning cubes in the frying pan and allow it to heat a little. Place it in the frying pan and allow it to heat a little. Then after heating it a little, don't allow it to get burnt. Then try crushing it. Remove it from the frying pan and try crushing it in a plate. We see that it will easily get crushed. It will no longer be hard as the way it was before. So that will be all. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.